So this is the old dinosaur ShopBot. This one has maybe some parts from my original ShopBot, but it's been upgraded and updated many times. But it's still functionally a unistrut tool, basically a PR machine. So one of the earliest ShopBots. So the table is one I built originally, and it is laminated out of 3 layers of 1x12 pine. They're all glued together. The table surface is a old stress skin panel that the timber frame guys use for infill panels. And there was a local man that was making these, local business that was making these panels, and he had one that was out of spec. It's worked really well. It's 4 inches of foam with OSB on either side. It's really stable. It's only supported in 3 spots. I have this utility strut. It's rack and pinion. It was originally cable drive. It's rack and pinion now, and it uses these old ShopBot belt drive boxes. So it's smooth motion. It's slow as can be. It originally had a Z-axis that used just a piece of all thread. It's been upgraded to a ball screw Z. So it's, like I said, there's probably not much original parts left in it, but it still runs. I still use it for things that I'm not in a hurry to do. It used to have originally patio door rollers. Now it has the Bishop Wise carver. You can see I'm in a damp place on the coast, so about everything here has a layer of surface rust on it, but it still works great. And if you're not in a hurry, it is definitely an interesting tool. I put these rollers on the end to roll materials on and off. And it's just neat to be able to still be running this machine after 24, 25 years.